Hey everyone, I got packages. Want to see what's in them? I do too. Well, this is what I got in the packages. Lots of this stuff to pop and make noise. That's supposed to pop, by the way. Lots of stuff to... These things don't pop very well. What? I got cheated here. They're supposed to like poof and make noise. Finally got one. Box number 1. Intake manifold gasket. And I think I got that one already. Box number 2. My exhaust gaskets. So these are for like the cast manifolds. I don't know why they sent those in there. And another really cool car. Look at that, Impala. And I was missing some of these bulbs here, so we got some replacement ones. Box number 3. Look at that, 3 for 3. Got the little magnet. Head gaskets. And engine mount number 1. Box number 4. Cool truck right there. Look at that, 4 for 4, the magnets. I guess that kind of makes up for the times where I didn't get any in an order. Transmission mount gasket, or transmission mount, the other engine mount, and all my diamond set stuff right there. So, what am I doing with all of that? Well, you just have to, well, no, I'm going to show you. Jim got some pretty hefty maintenance. Now, that's, if you watch my truck flow valve spring install video, you'll know I ran into some complications. So I'm going to show why in one of my videos there. Yeah, see, look at all this stuff that's apart on Jim. I got upgrades coming on Jim. That's a whole video in itself right there. What am I doing there? Well, I'm putting the truck flow springs in on bench. And it's also a cleanup and a valve seat grind. So, I'm going to show y'all the process of putting all this stuff together. Back in the car. And if everything goes good, a dyno run. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and don't be afraid to comment. So see you next time on Broken Tool Garage. Neighbors probably think I'm got firing range going on over here.